Welcome back to my channel. How's everything going on? Let's just get into my video. So this is a Lego garage that I made. It has many things such as two entrance, then this guy right here doing his stuff, some slopes for cars to slide in so they don't crash into the garage, this antenna to get signals for someone in emergency, then this guy billing at the counter, along with these people right here having fun eating while their car is repaired. So it's a cafeteria with a takeout who is already taken out. This man standing on the top. Here's a broken car which is going to get repaired soon when I want a mini robot. Then a man cleaning out garbage. So here's a fuel pump. This is the water tank for to clean the cars and vehicles. And these are bumpers so cars don't hit into it. This is a car which has the fuel tank to refill this fuel, as a mini petrol pump thing is here. Here you can see the two sliders so cars can slide in, up, and this people can repair it. Right now they are repairing an engine for the car we saw earlier. Then here you can see there are iron fences guarded all around the garage for its safety. Then you can see there's a go slow sign along with some speed breakers for the fuel tank so it won't explode and disasters won't happen. Security purposes. And this guy having fun.